Hi, here we go again. This is the Good Wine Project from Thailand. Today we are together with Roberta Gorgo from the Gorgo family winemakers. And today we present one of the most representative wine in this area. That's called Bardolino. Bardolino is a red wine with a very specific characteristic that I let Roberta explain to you.
Of course. Bardolino is a very traditional red wine from our area, but a very versatile, a very enjoyable, affordable red. Imagine, it's made without wood, only stainless steel. So it's a very juicy, it's a young, it's a fruity red wine. You should even serve a little chilled as we are enjoying now. You can have a nice picnic, it's a lunch wine you can pair with pasta, with pizza, with a toast, with a sandwich. As well, during a barbecue, you know, grilled meat when it's warm outside. If you enjoy a little chilled, this is a perfect friend for your dishes. Small red fruits, a hint of black pepper, and this is because of the variety of the red grape. We have a Corvina, which is the queen of the red grapes from Verona.
One of the main for the Amarone, but separate from the Amarone.
Correct.
Amarone is a blend. This is a pure grape.
And it's a wine for us that summertime is a must because it's much more easy to appreciate. Even in
you can drink is a little bit more colder, right? It's not necessary. Room temperature in Italy is not room temperature in Thailand. You know that, but sometimes the people misunderstand a little bit the temperature to drink a red wine. They thinking, oh, it must be a little bit 20, 18. In reality, this is a wine that you can drink a little bit colder, around 14, something like this, even colder than that. But what is very important, Roberta said, freshness, right?
Yeah, freshness, a little acidity. This is a wine with a very low interment. We wait to collect the very nice and ripe grapes, and we use only stainless steel, so nothing is added because we want to preserve.
He is agree with us.
Yeah. Hello, this is my Draco, this is my dog. We want to preserve this natural, fresh, young style, and this is the way we love.
What very important, sugar and sulfites.
Sugar, you feel as a dry red wine, but the fruits enrich. You have a very, very nice specific red fruits. Is so pleasant without adding sugars. So just round, you feel no tannin at all. And as well as the sulfites are the minimum.
So if you are looking for a full-bodied red, no, we are not talking about that.
No.
We are talking about something more fresh, more drinkable and easy to drink. Also because alcohol volume is this?
12.2.
So
yeah,
we are not something very heavy. Okay, this is that's it for today. This is the Bardolino from Gorgo. Thank you so much for listening. Sawadee Krap.
Sawadee Krap.